What's happening, everybody? Finally, we're leaving here. After some misfortunate events upon my part, we had to stay another day at the yard. Make sure you're off your personal conveying when you're personally conveying. You're not driving. That'll ruin a 34-hour restart in a heartbeat. So, we're going to go over here to Canton, grab our load, and we're going to head. I'm not sure if we're going to go to South Carolina or if we're going to go to Nashville first. One of the two. I don't know. It's raining. We've got the hoodie out growing the beard because we don't want our face to get wet. She hates the beard. I didn't shave when we took a shower over there because it's just a little sink and it's hard to shave in there. I don't like it. Anyways, I'll shave it when we go to the next shower because I don't like it neither. I like it, but it's in that stage where it's not itching. Anyways, you're here for trucking, not beards. We got the hoodie out because I don't want to get wet. I'll float away. I about said I'll melt, but we all know that's a lie. And yeah, pray for everybody that's involved in this tropical storm crap, hurricane, all the other stuff going on in the world. It's just crazy right now. Everybody needs to be praying and doing all their thing. And just hang around. You'll see what we got when we get over to Canton. First stop off in Nashville. Apologize for not being there earlier. It was wet. I was tired. I soaked. It was raining, and it's been kind of a downhill slide ever since. So now we're gonna head east over towards Greer, South Carolina. I don't know how far we'll make it. 4.5 hours we can drive. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So in the meantime, hang around. We'll see what we can get done. Grounding here. It's rain everywhere. I mean, soaking wet. I went through 3 pairs. I'm on my 3rd pair of clothes today. It's wet. We got a shower. We kind of come out of the way a little bit. Needed to shower time, you know, that whole deal. But could have parked somewhere else probably, but I wanted a free shower. I guess I could have got soaked and got out there on the catwalk. Nobody'd ever knowed. Anyways, we come up to White Pine, 4 miles past out of the way there this way. We'll go on out 40 tomorrow. Found out today that 26 was closed. I don't know if it'll still be, I'd say it'll still be closed. There's rain everywhere. Seems like every time I go to the Northeast, something goes wrong. That's just part of it. I'm due a good rain. I've not had to be in the rain very much in the past year. Paying for it now, though. I mean, it is raining. Anyways, guys, appreciate y'all. Like I said, we delivered Nashville earlier, and then going to Greer tomorrow. Probably ought to get off tomorrow. I'm still a good little hike away from Greer, especially with this weather. Cumberland, Maryland tomorrow. I mean, the day after. I don't know. Cumberland, Maryland, and then Newark, New Jersey. I hope I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home and come back out and be out. It's crazy. I've decided to quit dipping, and today has just been one of those days. It's been rough. If it's went wrong, it could go wrong. Got hit in the face with the bungee, fuel pump wouldn't work. I ain't gonna sit here and tell you everything. It's a wonder I've not killed somebody or chewed the steering wheel off. It's been rough. She's ready to kill me. But anyways, I've survived one day. And it sucks because it's sitting right down there in that cubby hole. But we'll get through it. I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. I apologize for any of the randomness out of whack. Y'all have to bear with me for a while because it's not all going on right in my head right now. But I'll catch up to you guys tomorrow. I appreciate y'all stopping by tomorrow. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and all that stuff. And I'll see y'all later. Y'all be careful, stay dry, and have fun doing it.